In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom resolution in NVIDIA Control Panel. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The NVIDIA Control Panel allows you to create custom resolutions. This can be useful if you are trying to play a game and it doesn't support a specific preset resolution that you want to try out, so you can create them using the Control Panel and they will be usable inside of games and other full-screen applications. So all that you have to do is open it up and under Display, go over to Change Resolution. So open the Control Panel and under the Display category, choose Change Resolution. Finally, you will be able to customize it here. First, choose the specific monitor that you want to change the resolution for. It is important to choose the specific one that you will be using, or repeat the process with both monitors or multiple ones, because usually when you create a custom resolution, it is only going to be applied to one of them. So once you have it selected and you see this outline, now you can begin creating the custom resolution. You will see the preset ones here. Then all that you have to do is choose Customize. So select Customize at the bottom. Now you can change various settings. If you don't know what most of these do, I recommend sticking to only these here at the top. So don't mess with the timing options. Leave it on automatic and you don't have to worry about anything here. I only recommend changing these if you want specific values and you know what they do. But in here you will be able to change the horizontal pixels, the vertical pixels or lines, and finally the refresh rate. Now you can do custom resolutions, for example 1080 by 1080, which is a very popular one for various different FPS games, which has an aspect ratio of 1:1. You can do something that your monitor doesn't support, so you can try going higher, you can try going lower, you can try doing ultra wide and add black bars, stretch it out, whatever it is that you want to try. Once you have the resolution, click Test. If everything is stable and it is working, the custom resolution is going to appear on this list. So let's say, for example, this is a custom resolution, and now it is going to be usable inside of games, on Windows, and various different other applications. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.